Hello students. In our alcohols, phenols and ether, we are at unsolved questions of NCERT textbook. In last sessions we completed up to 11.9. Today we starts with a new point is 11.10. Very good questions is asked in this 11.10 that write the reactions of Williamson synthesis of 2-ethoxy-3-methyl pentane starting from ethanol and 3-methyl-pentane 2-ol. So in these questions we have to prepare a 2-ethoxy-3-methyl pentane. So we know that always Williamson synthesis right is a SN2 reaction. SN2 reactions. Therefore, the success of any such synthesis, the alkyl halide should be primary or unhindered or less unhindered in nature. So, the alkyl halide should be derived from ethanol. So, we start alkyl halide with the help of the ethanol when it reacts with hydrobromic acid. So, it's a simple displacement to ethanol to ethyl bromide. Okay, so it's a very simple point. So now we get a product is bromoethane. Now we have a CH3. Another product is a 3-methyl pentane 2-ol. So this 3-methyl pentane 2-ol. So the structure may be written in this manner. So we give the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So once again it's called as an 3-methyl pentane 2-ol. Now this 3-methyl pentane 2-ol when reacts with a sodium, granules of sodium, it's a simple Wurtz reactions. We know that. Or sometimes it's not a Wurtz reactions, but because it's alcohol content, so this alcohol is converted into alkoxide. So which is converted into CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, then CH, okay, CH3, O minus, Na plus hydrogen. So this is nothing but the name of this compound is sodium 3-methyl pent 2 oxide. Fine. So now this nucleophile CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, O minus, Na plus when it reacts with ethyl bromide, so it's a SN2 reaction because this nucleophile is attached to this partially positive carbon and bromine, right, is released. So we get a product is like that CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, O, CH2, CH3. Simple. It's a one type of, because CH3, CH2, CH. This is a nucleophile, very good nucleophile, which is attached towards to these SN2 reactions, and we get a product is 2-ethoxy 3-methyl pentane. Fine. So this is all about the question number 11.10. Now we move to the another questions is 11.11. So these questions is a very good. It's a sometimes is called as an some teacher says that the questions or the formation of this question is little bit different. Why it's little bit different? Because which of the following is an appropriate set of reactants for the preparations of 1-methoxy-4-nitrobenzene and Y? Okay, what I have to prepare? I want to prepare I want to prepare 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene. Okay, so in this case, if I perform these reactions with the help of ONA NO2, because the one they give the one product is like that, O minus Na plus NO2, so it's called as an sodium 4-nitro phenoxide ion plus methyl bromide. So we know that this O minus is attached to this methyl. At that time bromine, okay, is released. So it's a simple reaction, it's a SN2 reactions, and it's a NABR. So this is the set number 2. But what about the set number 1? So set number 1, when we have to attack of bromine, it's such a type of compound, right? With the help of CH3ONA. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, कहीं टीचर ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन ये थोड़ा डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन आ रहा है कि ब्रोमीन को हम निकाल नहीं सकते, क्योंकि ब्रोमीन इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विथ अ benzene ring and it's a double bond characteristic, so bromine, so it's a removal of bromine is quite difficult, so we cannot get such a type of product OCH3, right? OCH3. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी दिक्कत आ रही है, लेकिन जो अच्छी तरह से वो जो मैकेनिज्म का हम डेफिनेटली हम इसका स्टडी करें तो क्या होगा, दिस CH3ONA firstly reacts on bromine. So at that time there is a presence of bromine and OCH3 both, but mind well, this NO2 is an electron withdrawing group. So this electron withdrawing group always activated by the bromine atom. यहाँ पे क्या है, नाइट्रो ग्रुप है ना, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉ करते हैं, तो विड्रॉ होने की वजह से जो ब्रोमीन का डबल बॉन्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है ना, वो चला गया है. तो क्या होगा, एक समय पे ये देखने को मिलेगा. इसका जो हम मैकेनिज्म की तरह से सोचे तो फर्स्ट क्या आएगा, CH3ONA विच कैन बी अटैक टुवर्ड्स द ब्रोमीन, और नाइट्रो ग्रुप उसको इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है, वो स्टेबिलाइज हो जाएगा रेजोनेंस की वजह से, और वो भी यही रिएक्शंस है वो लेगा. लेकिन आप दर्पण देखेंगे या सब कुछ देखेंगे तो उसमें ये रिएक्शंस का उसने बताया नहीं है कि भाई ये सेट है वो ये नहीं बना सकता, ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ब्रोमीन इज डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड विद द एरोमेटिक रिंग, and they says that the substitutions of this bromine from the aromatic ring, it's quite difficult, so it's not possible, but it's definitely possible because there is a presence of nitro group and it's a electron withdrawing group. मैंने आपको कई बार बोला है कि NCERT के एक क्वेश्चंस ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपको इसका स्टडी करोगे तो आपको ये पता चल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वन हमें ये बताया गया है 11.12, right? Predict the products of the following reactions. So there are some reactions. So CH3, CH2, CH2O, CH3, right? When it reacts with hydrobromic acid, we know that it performs at 100 degrees centigrade temperature. So this N-propyl, what is the name of this compound? Is N-propyl methyl ether, right? When it reacts, so it's converted into what? CH3, CH2, CH2OH and plus methyl bromide. So here in this case, both the alkyl groups are attached to the oxygen atom. They are primary in nature. Therefore, the attack of bromide ion occurs on the smaller methyl group due to the less hindrance or less steric hindrance. Okay, so formations of this propane 1-ol and bromoethane. Fine. What about the question number 2? Question number 2 is like that, OC2H5. What they given? OC2H5. So it's a phenitol compound. The name of this compound is phenitol. ये जो है मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ वो मैंने ये सभी एग्जांपल्स आपको वहाँ पे भी वो लेक्चर में मैंने पढ़ाए हुए हैं. When the reactions of ether with acids. So in this case HBr, HI, so various type of hydrobromic acid and hydroiodic acid. So we perform the reactions in such a manner that so we get a product is like that. We get a product is phenol, okay, plus CH3 CH2Br. So phenol and bromoethane is formed. So due to resonance, C6H5O bond has some double bond characteristics, and hence it's stronger in than the OC2H5 bond. So the cleavage of weaker cleavage that can be observed at here. So we get a product is like that. Okay. Now, what about number 3? Number 3 is a phenitol. When this phenitol OC2H5, right? When it reacts with a concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So it's a ortho and para position because this group is ortho-para directing group due to the electron donating nature of OC2H5. So we get two different product, OC2H5 and NO2 at para position, and next one, right? OC2H5 and NO2 at ortho positions. So we know that the name of this compound is 4-ethoxy nitrobenzene, and the name of this compound is 2-ethoxy nitrobenzene. We know that this product is major in nature, this is minor in nature due to the steric hindrance. Okay, so this is all about the question number sub questions number 3. Okay, next one, sub question number 4. They ask like that. CH3 O CH2 CH3. So they have a lone pair. Okay, when it reacts with a HI, so because it's a tertiary butyl carbocation, when the tertiary butyl carbocation, which is more stable than the ethyl carbocation, therefore the reactions follows SN1 mechanism due to leading to the formation of tertiary butyl iodide and ethanol. यहाँ पे क्या है, जैसे हम यहाँ से कट करेंगे तो टर्शरी कार्बोकेटाइन होगा, यहाँ से कट करेंगे तो प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटाइन होगा. वी नो दैट टर्शरी कार्बोकेटाइन इज मोर स्टेबल देन प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटाइन. So with these reactions, if we perform, so we get a product is like that: CH3CH3CH3I plus CH3CH2OH. So this perform reactions which can be carried out with the help of this SN1 mechanism. तो आपको ये जो प्रिडिक्ट द प्रोडक्ट्स है ये सभी ईथर का मैंने डाला हुआ है 11.12 में. सो ईथर का सभी जो रिएक्शंस है वो हो गया है. तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो अनसॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चंस का जो पोर्शंस है वो है ना हमने कंप्लीट कर दिया है. अब नेक्स्ट सेशंस में जब हम मिलेंगे तब हम एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 11.1 है वहां से हम शुरू करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.